And we back in the kitchen tonight making brown sugar glazed teriyaki salmon. We're going to make sure that this sauce is nice and sticky and full of flavor with that brown sugar, the teriyaki sauce, some minced garlic. Ooh! And you can't forget the parsley because we got to add that personality to that sauce. And then once you go ahead and add that, you're ready to go ahead and whisk it up, stir it up, and get it going. We're going to go ahead and sit this to the side and go ahead and start prepping the fish. Now we still got to add some more flavor to this nice juicy piece of salmon. So we're going to hit it with some lemon pepper seasoning. We got our classic garlic powder, and then we're going to hit it with some seafood seasoning. And we have to rub these seasonings down with some good old peanut oil. And then we're going to give it a massage. Y'all know how we feel about these massages. We love our massages. And then here we go. And it's looking nice and shiny. Ooh, there go that butter. This looking so delicious in that pan. Get it nice and hot. And we're going to go ahead and add that sauce right up in there. Ooh, yes. Let's go ahead and give it a little stir. Once you do that, go ahead and add your meat. Go ahead and add your salmon. Now, don't be laughing at this little pack. This salmon does fit in here and it's going to shrink, okay? It's perfect for the amount of sauce and the amount of salmon. It's okay. Now, make sure you smother that salmon good. Get it nice and coated with that sauce. And we're going to cover this for about 10 minutes because that's a big chunky piece of meat. That's all I can say right now. Do y'all see this sauce and the color of that sauce? And you can see the parsley flakes coming through. Y'all know we love our food with some personality, and you can't get no better than this. And we're going to go ahead and put that top back on it one more time just to make sure that sauce gets nice and thick. And then from there, go ahead and get your plate, your fork ready. It is time to serve it up. Now, we got to show you how this fish look when you open it up and bust it open. You're going to get that nice flaky piece of fish that's done to perfection. Oh, yes. We're going to go ahead and complete this dinner with some broccoli on the side. And we're going to go ahead and eat good. Make sure y'all go ahead and like and subscribe and enjoy this video. See y'all later.